Hello, good morning, good afternoon. You're welcome to Noble Beans Home. If today is your first time, please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, share, like, and comment. God bless you. Today we are going to take you through the process of cooking fried rice step by step.
Noble meal. No, a meal of days and ways. No, meal.
Here you have your Maggi and salt. Here you have hot pepper, curry, and lentil. Here you have your onions. Here you have your vegetable oil. Here you have your green beans. Here you have your carrot. You wash your carrot very well and you slice it just as you are seeing it now, to the point or the level of how you want it to be like. Here you have your green pepper. All you just have to do also is to wash your green pepper and slice it to your taste, how big, small you want it to be, just as you are saying it right now. Here you have your gizzard, your turkey's gizzard. You can use liver, you can use beef, you can use anything you wish to use. Here I'm using turkey's gizzard. Slice it just as you are seeing it like this, to the level, the quantity you want and how big and small you want it to be. Here the ingredient is on display. After measuring your rice, then you washed. First of all, I have to put a salt, then I'm going to be washing it with warm water with my both hands to make it more clean and washed very well. As you can see, after washing it, see how beautiful it is after washing it. Then the first you put your water. After putting your water on the fire, then you add your ingredients, your curry and salt and Maggi to cook the rice. Then you add your rice. Careful, you add your rice. Then you turn it together. You mix it very well. Then you cook for a period of time. Then after that, that's cooked. Okay, this is it. It has been cooked and done now. So we are going straight to fry the ingredients step by step. So the first thing you just have to do is put in your pot and add your vegetable oil and slice your onions. You can as well slice it down before putting your oil. Slice it when your oil is on fire. Then just add a little bit of salt inside your oil. After it was hot, then you add your onions. and fry your onions for a period of time, if possible 1 to 2 minutes. Then after that, then you add your carrot. It's time to fry your carrot as well. After your carrot also be fried for a period of time, you add your gizzard. As you can see here, I'm adding the gizzard. I'm going to fry the gizzard for also for a period of time. You mix them together very well. Then after that, you put in your green pepper, your green beans. Yeah, your green beans, I beg your pardon. You put in your green beans and fry them together as well. Then after once I be fried for some time, you put in your green pepper. Yeah, this is your green pepper. You add your green pepper and you turn them together. Fry it for a period of time. Then you add your black salt, fried rice, spices, then seasonings. You add it there to make it more colorful. I'm just going to add 2 of it to make it more colorful. When I'm going to be fried, that you are going to see it. You add some Maggi, then after that you put in your salt. Add salt, mix them together. As you can see, I've already started frying it. So I'm going to show you the process of how I'm doing it. I don't want to add the rice together with the ingredient to mix them like that, but I have to take my time to fry it very well, just as you can see. I put in a fry pan on the fire and going to be frying differently from adding it together from the pot I used before. So I'm just going to take my time, like 3 minutes to fry them. As you can see, this is how it is, so that it is going to last. That is the reason why I'm doing it like this, because this is the reason why they call it fried rice. It's not just the color. Okay, you just have to take your time and fry it like this, step by step, so that it will not get spoiled. You know, when you don't fry it very well, definitely it goes sour just for a period of time. Let's say 30 minutes, 1 hour after you must have added together anyhow you wish to, then it goes spoiled. But like this, it starts to be fried and it's going to last for you. This is it. It's on display right now. This is how beautiful, colorful it is, and yummy. You can't say no when you see this fried rice. So guys, you all are invited to Double News Home. Come and eat with us. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget, subscribe, like, share, and comment. As you do so, God bless you. See you next time. Bye bye.